Hello, Assalamu alaikum. If this is your first visit, please like my video and subscribe my channel because I solve every single question for you on daily basis. Today we start unit number 3, Factors and Multiples. A factor, a number that divides an other number completely without leaving a remainder, is called a factor of that number. 1, 2, 3 and 10 are factors of 10, and the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factor of 117 are 1, 3, 9, 13, 39 and 17. These are factors of these numbers. What do you notice? 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Here 1 and 17 are the factors of 117. Here 1 and 10 are the factors of 10. And what happens when we cross the half of factor numbers? This is a half of this number. What is half of this number? 6. Just the second number of half, the number we attain, the number that comes is 12, which is the number itself. Here also, in this case, this is a half of 117. The next number is 117. And the two things we find here, that 1 is a factor of every number and the number itself is also factor of every numbers. And when the half of number is passed, the next number is number itself, which is end of the factors, which is the end factor. 1 is a start factor and 12 is the end factors. 1 is a start factors and 117 is a finished factor. Here 1 is the start factors and 10 is the end factors and finished factors. This is the concept of factor. Now we start divisibility test of following number. You are also familiar with divisibility test of few numbers. Divisibility test of 2, the digit in the units place of numbers is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The number which contain 2 at unit place will be divisible by 2. 10, 32, 24, 16 and 18 are divisible by 2 because they contain 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 8 at unit place. Therefore these are divisible by 2. 3. The sum of digits of numbers is divisible by 3. The sum of digits of number divisible by 3. What do you understand by this? The sum of digits of 3 means the consecutive digits of number. These are consecutive numbers. This is the number 111 and these are consecutive numbers of this number. If we add up the numbers, it will give us 3, which is divisible by 3. Then the numbers 111 is also divisible by 3. Now we test 4. Divisibility of 4. The number formed by the last 2 digits of the number is multiple of 4. For example, 264 is the number. The last 2 digits of this number are 6 and 4. 64 is the last 2 digit number which are multiple of 4. 16 4s is 64. That means it is a multiple of 4. Therefore, this number is divisible by 4. 5. You are also very familiar by this number 5. If the number ends with either 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. For example, 10 and 15 are divisible by 5 because the end number of 5 and 0 and 5. Therefore, these are divisible by 5. The number is divisible by 6. Divisible test of 6. The number is divisible by 2 and the sum of digits of number is divisible. Sum of digits of number is multiple of 3. This is very interesting and not simple. For example, 18 is a number which is divisible by 2 and therefore it will be divisible by 6 because 18 is divisible by 2 and also its consecutive numbers are 1 and 8. 1 and 8, 1 plus 8 will give us 9. The 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, this will be divisible by 6. Understand? I repeat, this is again number 18. For example, 18 is a number which is divisible by 2 and its consecutive numbers are 1 and 8. We add up 1 plus 8. This will give us 9 which is a multiple of 3. Therefore, this number will be divisible by 6. Understand? Okay. 8. The number formed by last 3 digits is a multiple of 8. For example, this is a number 2888 is divisible by 8 because last 3 digits are divisible by 8. These underlined digits are the last 3 digits. These are divisible by 8. Therefore, this number is divisible by 8. Now it has the number 9. This is very simple and trivial. The sum of digits of number is multiple of 9. For example, we have a number 81. The consecutive numbers 8 and 1. 8 plus 1 give us 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. Therefore, this number is divisible by 9. This is also very familiar to you. 10. The digit in the unit place of number is 0. For example, 50 is divisible by 10. It contains 0 at unit place. This is important and little bit difficult. Understand it carefully. Test of 11, divisibility test of 11. The difference between the sum of alternate digits of the numbers is 0 or a multiple of. This is, for example, 28,479 is a number. These are their alternate numbers 2, 4 and 9. When we add up these numbers, we will get 15. And these are alternate numbers 8 and 7. When we add up these numbers, we will get 15. We subtract these numbers from these numbers. This will get 15. This will also get 15. Then we subtract 15 from 15. We will get 0, 11. Therefore, this is divisible by 11. Divisibility test of 25. This is simple. The number formed by the last two digits of number is divisible by 25. For example, 150 is divisible by 25 because last two digits are divisible by 25. Here are last two digits. 50. 50 is divisible by 25. 25 to the 50. Therefore, the total number is divisible by 25.